Hello, my name is Brittany Carter, and I chose to do my project on a website I created called Knit It. I am a knitter. I do it for fun, stress relief, and sell a few things on Etsy. So let's get started. This is my logo I created. It has two knitting needles using the K and the I. I thought that was kind of cute, but I wanted to keep it simple um, and just make it something that people were, able to share things and get in and out. Nothing, no frills, nothing really crazy. So Knitted is a web application that allows knitters to search, upload, and share patterns. As a member, you will have access to patterns, discussion boards, and community events. There are free patterns and paid patterns available for download. Members are allowed to sell their own patterns, create discussions, and post events. So for the color scheme, I wanted to keep it simple, like I mentioned before. I knew we could potentially be using themes, so I could kind of play a little bit with color there as well. That would kind of blend in, and I also knew that images of yarn and different patterns and whatnot would kind of bring more color to the page, and I didn't want anything to be too crazy. So I kept it kind of simple with black, white backgrounds, splashes of pinks and yellows, and then I wanted the font to be easy to read as well, just because I knew the knitting community is tends to be kind of an older community, so I know that they have issues with reading, things that might be too detailed or too small or anything like that, and I wanted to keep it simple and easy to read. So let me get to my site. Here's my site. So you could just log in as soon as you open it up. Sign in, and it'll take you to your dashboard where you can select projects, tasks, users, and then I included these images below just because I thought it'd be cool to, once you sign in, to see all the new things that people are creating and or patterns that are available to you. And then I was able to, once you hover over, you can fade the images. But I also created light boxes with these other pictures, so I'll click them and show you. Here are some knit cuffs. Here's a cowl, and then here are some knit cupcakes. I thought that was really cool to add, and it would probably be cool, if my site was actually real. So let me take you to the projects page. Here you are able to sort your projects. You're also able to delete and then add. So let's add a project. I added the date picker. Click the button. There we go. And we've added a project. From here you can sign out or go back to the dashboard. I'm going to sign out so I can show you how to sign up and become a member. So you go to sign up, enter your name, username, email address. I also put tooltips on this and a few of the other pages. And a password. And we can just click submit, and it's going to take us to our dashboard as if we have already have an account or a new account. So that is it for my site. I will show you my code now. So here is my code. Let's start at the top. I have the tabbed accordion. Here's my code for the modal on the projects page. For the fading buttons, like I showed you on the dashboard, or the image gallery. The buttons, I'm sorry, are everywhere on the pages. Log in, log out, as you're going to log out of the pages. Register, as in, being a new user and signing up. Here's that. Project buttons, task buttons, user buttons. The data picker, sortable, sorting the projects on the page, and my buttons, adding a project, getting a project, and that's it. So thank you. I really enjoyed this class.